and today we want to make some pumpkin cupcakes with some cream cheese frosting. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a pot over medium heat, add in 2 tubs of chopped up pumpkin, cook until soft and mushy. Using a potato masher, mash the pumpkin until smooth. In a bowl with 2.5 cups of flour, add in 2 teaspoons baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, a half a teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon ground allspice. Mix and set aside. In a bowl with 15 ounces of pumpkin puree, add in 2 large eggs, 1.5 cups of sugar, and 2/3 cup of oil. Mix until well combined. Add the flour mixture in 2 batches and mix with a spatula. Mix until well combined and smooth. Pour batter into prepared cupcake tins and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 24 minutes. Allow to cool. In a bowl, cream together 8 ounces of cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of butter, 2 cups of icing sugar that is added gradually, a 1/4 cup of syrup, and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined and smooth. If you find your icing a bit runny, add in more icing sugar. Mix until well combined. Pipe over cupcakes and enjoy!